Hi there, in this section I'll show you how to create a page from scratch and also add elements into your page. So we start off with a blank page, and the only option that there is to add new sections. So let's go ahead and click on Add New Section, and then you'll be brought into an option to add new row. Now notice when I hover my mouse it says here Section, so let's click on Add New Row, and you can add 1 column blocks, 2, 3, 4, up to 6 column blocks. Also a left sidebar column and a right sidebar column. Let's click on 1 column block and then give your element a name and then click Add to Page. So now a new row's been added. The first section is this section here, and then the next one is the headline row, and because we want to create a headline, click on New Element. And in the Add-in element, you have a lot more options. You can put in a headline, timer, date, countdown, price table, progress bar, and even a survey. Because this is a headline, let's click on Headline, give the element a name, Headline, and then click Add to Page. So there you have it, a very simple brand new headline to edit. Double-click on the headline, highlight the headline, and you can start typing in your headline. Your awesome converting headline here. And let's go ahead and customize it further. In this headline, you can bold it, italicize it, underline it, justify left, center, or right, and also insert a link. To insert a link, just highlight the whole text and click on this button here. So to further customize, click on the gear button on the top right and you've come up with a pop-up. You could also add margins. Let's put a margin of 30 and a padding of 50 and change the text color to blue. And we can also change the background color. Let's change it to black. And if you go further down, you can change the font size, the height, corner. Let's put to 10 pixels. Let's set the padding at 25. 20. And then click Go Back, and that's it. This is your awesome converting headline here. So let's say I want to add in more elements, things like video, a countdown timer, a progress bar. So let me show you how to do that. So over here, click on the bottom here. So you want to add a new section, and then before you proceed further, click on the settings by clicking on the gear icon here. And you want to get it as close to the headline. So the padding on the top, make it to 0. Padding on the bottom, make it to 0. And the width, make it to small. Sorry, let's make it to medium, and then you can add a new row. Let's say we want to add text and a video. I'm going to choose a 2-column block. Don't forget to give it a name. Click Add to Page. After that, click Add New Element. And over here on the search bar, say I want a video. So add a video player. Remember to name the element so you can easily organize it. So click Add to Page. So if I have a link, just click on the video and it will come up as a pop-up. You can rename the element, and you can also choose the video type, whereby it's a custom embedded or a YouTube video, Vista or HTML5 video. You could also play with the width and the skin, and over here I want to add a new text to explain about what the video is. You can click on Add New Element, click on the text block, click Add to Page, and you have a dummy text here. So let's say I want to add a countdown timer. So I can click on the button, and then I can search for countdown, and I have 3 different countdowns. We have a date, a timer, or a daily evergreen. So let's put in a timer, click Add to Page, and I can even customize the timer. Click on the timer, and I can put in the hours, minutes, and seconds, and when the countdown timer is expired, that's the action it will trigger. So in this case, I could redirect to URL or show hide elements. And there's also a revisit action, so it could be an auto reset timer, auto expire for X days, or hide the timer and show section or row. So in this example, 30 minutes is fine, and let's say I want to add in a progress bar as well. So I click on the plus sign, and you can search for a progress bar. Select the progress bar and click Add to Page, and then I have a progress bar here. At any point, if you'd like to change the location, or just hover my mouse on it and then click Hold, and I can drag left, right, or anywhere and just place it. I could also put the progress bar on the top here. I could put the countdown timer here. I could put this back here. And then I would want them to take an action after that. So what I can do is click on the plugin sign, and let's say I want to add a button and then have a button. So to customize the button, just click on the gear icon, and here is the text, the subtext, the bottom action when it's clicked, the URL action, the target, the text color, the background color, the font size. We can make it bigger, and if we scroll down there, it will be different styles for the bottom. We can have a subtle style for the button, a square button, a rounded button, or a pill button. So let's select a rounded button. Even the button width, I could put it to fluid, so I could align the button center. We could even put an icon, let's say a right arrow download now. And there's a lot more customization. If you want the background to be colored, you want to have more design, that's also fine, and there you have it. This is a very simple page built from scratch, and all you need to do is keep trying, adding in more sections, different columns, different rows, and experiment with the different elements, and always see the settings that are available for you to customize. Good luck!